Mmhmm. In these times, it seems like everybody is too busy and not able to take the time to cook full meals in the kitchen on a regular basis. I'm lucky to be able to cook as part of my job because I actually enjoy doing it. But truth be told, even I sometimes press for time and end up eating poorly because of my busy schedule. In this episode, I'm teaming up with Knorr and using their Asian side's Teriyaki Noodles as my secret weapon to cut down on the amount of time taken to do my spin on a beef lo mein without sacrificing on flavor. I'm using a technique called velveting to tenderize the beef, and usually this would involve a mixture of cornstarch, egg whites, vinegar, and a couple other ingredients. But today we are achieving similar results with a teaspoon of baking soda. Go ahead and slice your beef thinly and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and set aside while you work on prepping your other ingredients. Once you're done prepping the other ingredients, rinse the baking soda off the beef and pat the meat dry. You don't want to use wet beef in a stir fry because you'll end up braising the beef rather than stir frying, and that's not what we're going for. These Knorr teriyaki noodles, real easy to prepare. Just add 1 3/4 cups of water to a pot, a tablespoon of vegetable oil and bring it to a boil. Add the contents of the packet and simmer on medium heat for 7 minutes. While the noodles simmering, we're gonna go ahead and cook the beef. To a hot wok, add some sesame oil. Add the beef and toss for about 45 seconds. You want to season with salt and black pepper, not too much salt. Add the garlic, ginger, and saute for about 30 seconds. Add the onion, saute for another 30 seconds. Add some soy sauce and some hoisin sauce and saute for 5 minutes. Add some sweet pepper, saute for 30 seconds. Turn off the flame and top with some sesame seeds. And that's it. Beef done, noodles done. Now it's just time to plate up and eat. Going in for a taste one time and you'd be shocked to know that you could create something so complete and delicious in that short space of time. You can feel free to add different spices or different veg to make this dish your own. Thank you to Knorr for making this episode possible, and Knorr's sides and sauces can be found in leading supermarkets nationwide. Full recipe could be found on eatahfood.com, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and a share. And if you do try this recipe, be sure to take a photo and tag us on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mmhmm.